Hi, this is Yusuf from my repair shop, Staten Island, New York. We have a 2006 Chevy Express van and drains the battery overnight. Let's go and find out what's the issue. Okay, first thing what we have to do is to make sure to check the battery is fully charged or put the new battery in. Disconnect the negative terminal cable and install the nut here so you can put the so you can connect the meter so you can have a good connection. Just tight it. Make sure it's tight. Check it. Like that. And now we can put the navigator clip on. That's it. And we're gonna connect the other side on the battery. Make sure you put the bolt in so you can get it connected. And we're gonna put the meter on. Make sure you connect it right. Put the meter on, milliamps DC. And we have to leave the car to sit for half an hour so we can wait for all the computers to go to sleep. And already we have over 100 milliamp draw and minimum it's 50 milliamp. Okay, we have the meter on and we wait half an hour, and now what we have to do is to find the fuse box. It's right here. Remove the cover and we need to pull the fuses out one by one. But by the way, you cannot do this in every car. You have to make sure which one you can do it. And okay, so we have to pull the fuses one by one out. Fuse out, no change. No change. No change. Nothing. One by one, you gotta pull it out and see if it drops. That means you gotta check that circuit. Something is wrong on that line.
No change. No change.
Yeah, but this one, see, we just wake up the computer, whatever it is in this fuse, so now we have to wait until the voltage drops down. Okay, it's going down. You gotta wait a little bit. So every time this happens, you have to wait to stabilize, and then you can go back and pull the fuse again. Don't rush because we'll give you wrong reading. So I'm gonna check that fuse what it is, but the problem is not there. Nothing changes. We have another fuse box under the seat, passenger seat, but if there's nothing here, then we're gonna go there. They have 4 more big fuses. This is 60 amp. Nothing change. Nothing change. Another one. Nothing. It moves a little up and down, but that's not a. Oh, we got it. That's the one. See, we're gonna put that fuse back. Let's see. Okay, it goes to 115, 16, 150. Goes like crazy. Now we're gonna pull the fuse out again. That's good. That's under 50 milliamp. So we're gonna check this fuse and see what's going on here. Gonna also open the wiring diagram and find out what's on this fuse. Put them back. 115, 150. Pull it out. It drops down to 14. It's steady. So we have a problem here. We'll find it. This was easy. Also, sometimes if you check all the fuses, nothing happens, make sure you disconnect the alternator, because alternator can drain the battery overnight, and can be computers also. Okay, let's find out what's on that fuse 40. Got the meter there. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th one. That's 52. Let's find out what's a 52. That's the big one, yeah. 52 ignition, 40 amp. Ignition B, 40 amp. Ignition B, 40 amp. We're gonna open the wiring diagram and find out what's going on there. And which one was the one that was waking up one of the computers? Is this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 31. What's 31? IPC. So that module was waking up when we pulled the fuse out. And just put the fuse back and wait to stabilize, and then you can continue next. So looks like we find the problem. This was easy. That's 52 fuse. We're gonna check the wiring diagram. Let's see. And then we're gonna open the wiring diagram and find out which one is fused. 52, 40 amp. That's ignition B, like it says there on the box, and that's what it is. That's it. So we need to replace the ignition switch. Okay, so I put the fuse back. The fuse 52. This says on wiring diagram, it says ignition, and we have 120, 150 milliamp draw. So I already did open the cover here. I removed it, and we have. I just unplug the ignition switch. Sorry for the light. ignition switch is unplugged, right? It's unplugged. And we still have, let me show you, we still have 100 something milliamp, 122. So what I found is somebody installed GPS, moving on GPS on right here. Right here, this red wire. Red wire. So I'm gonna cut this red wire. What it is? Okay, it's cut. See it? This was connected right here. Right there. See? So somebody went and took the power from the ignition switch into that GPS, and that was causing this problem. Let's see the meter now. Yep, perfect. 24, way below under 50. So we are good now. That was the problem. We're gonna remove that GPS. Thank you for watching and subscribe.